And this is what the hatch looks like completed. Everything's still wet yet, but it's got to cure out. But it's looking good. So tomorrow I'll come in and grind this edge off so it's smooth, flush with the end. But yeah, matte, balsa, and matte in 1708 for that Checkmate 253 condenser engine hatch. It's looking good. I think the guy that owns the boat will be very happy with it. That is what a well done balsa job should look like. Yeah, she looks good. Yeah, just a quick update. There you go.